In this video, we will learn how to delete account on the Telegram. You need to open this link. I put this link on the description. You can do it on your phone and you can do it on your computer, laptop, anything that you have. You need to open this link. In here you will type your number. In here you will need to type your number with your country code. The note of that is this: when you press next, you don't see SMS. You will see the confirmation code on the Telegram with this Telegram account that it is appearing here, and you will see the code from here. Press on the next. In here it says confirmation code. Go to your Telegram. This is the login code. Paste it in here and press on the sign in. Your Telegram code. API development tools, delete account, logged out. You need to press on the delete account, and in here you will see that if you delete your account, all of your messages, contacts are going to be deleted and you cannot recover them. All of the groups, messages, anything that you have on the Telegram, and of course your cloud storage on the Telegram, it will be deleted. All of the things that you have on the Telegram are going to be deleted and you don't have any chance to recover them. And in here you need to type something, for example, why are you leaving? And I press on the delete my account. In here you will see, are you sure? You need to press yes, delete my account, and your account is deleted right now. Your account was successfully deleted from our system. Come back soon. Okay, in here I send a message to my account, my another account. With the account that we deleted, you will see a ghost icon and it types deleted account. So anything that you will see, for example, I type something in here, and this is one of our update Telegram shorts. I upload it to my another account. As you can see, it is a ghost and it types last thing a long time ago. With this way you can easily delete your Telegram account. If you want to learn more about Telegram, you need to watch the playlist that is going to be appearing here. This playlist can help you. See you on the next one.